In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audit activity logs on WordPress.com. It's an essential task for those who manage a website, as it helps you keep track of changes and monitor what exactly is happening on your site. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue, maintaining security, or simply keeping an eye on things, understanding how to access and interpret these logs can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to do just that. First, you'll need to head to your browser and navigate to the WordPress login page. Once there, enter your credentials to log into your account. If you're unable to access the login page directly, you can perform a quick Google search for WordPress.com login to find the link easily. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all the fundamental aspects of your site. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You should see an option labeled Plugins. Click on this, as you'll need to install a specific plugin to access the activity logs. When you're in the Plugins section, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to a page where you can search and install new features. In the search box at the top right, type Activity Log. What we're looking for is a plugin that can effectively track and report changes made to your site. Once the search results come up, locate a plugin that suits your needs, preferably with good reviews and compatibility with the latest version of WordPress. Click on Install Now to proceed with the installation. If you have already installed the plugin in the past, simply look for an activation button instead. Click on Activate to make the plugin operational. With the Activity Log plugin activated, you now have the toolset required for auditing user activities. Head back to the Plugins area and click on Activity Log. This is where you'll find the compiled data of user actions. Here, you can view a history of changes made on the website. It might include logins, content changes, updates, and even failed login attempts. This information can be invaluable for understanding recent activities as well as identifying possible security threats. And that's it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to audit activity logs on WordPress.com. Regularly checking these logs can help keep your site secure and running smoothly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy auditing.